Hi everyone, it's Ian from DIY Home and Gardening. Just sort of do you an update today. You can pretty much tell the time of year it is by the fact that I'm always in my work clothes, just constantly working basically. But let me turn the camera around. So 1 month ago I did an update video for you. It showed a potting of what is now these, so the Fuchsia Arborescens. And I said I would do a visit or revisit when, well, they'd changed, so they've put on a lot of growth, as you can see. To be honest, they need potting again, and that's something I'll do, but quite frankly you guys aren't going to be interested in watching me pot again. But I thought I would show you the flower. So it is totally different from what you'd class as a fuchsia flower. Let's get right in there so you can see it. And it just produces these sort of well, clusters or panicles of these violet lilac flowers. I don't think they're scented. Let me just see. No, not scented, but pretty impressive anyway. So yeah, once I get these potted up, and hopefully the plants will continue to grow to about 5 feet and get even more flowers. But yeah, that's the update for you. So thought you'd find it interesting. Yeah, just finishing up a little bit for you. Just show they're potted up, so they've gone from their 2 litre pots there straight up to a 10 litre. So they fill those quite nicely, and they already look fairly balanced. And what I'm thinking I'll do actually is use this one, as it's got the single stem, and I think I might whip some of those bits off for a bit of propagation material and actually grow that one as a standard. But anyway, that's a possible video for another day. But anyway, that's the finishing up. So all that's left to say is thanks for watching the video. If you've got any questions, just send them over to me and I'll do my best to answer them for you. Bear in mind it's my first year of growing Fuchsia Arborescens. Yeah, if you like what I'm doing, subscribe to the channel. Great to see new people. Keep subscribing. Don't forget to hit that reminder button so you don't miss out on future videos that I'm doing. And above all else, just have fun in the garden and yeah, keep doing what you're doing. Bye for now.